Welcome to the Best Picks. The best bowling balls is probably one of the most crucial pieces of equipment for any bowler, from casual enthusiasts to competitive players. Choosing the right ball can dramatically improve your scores, enhance your technique, and make the game more enjoyable. In this video, we'll dive into the world of bowling balls, exploring what makes a great ball and helping you find the perfect one to elevate your game. Number 5. Hammer Turbine Viz-a-Ball Bowling Ball. Introducing the Hammer Turbine Viz-a-Ball. This bowling ball is designed for all the hardcore hammerheads. It features exclusive 360-degree, limited edition graphics. Inside, it has a bullet core. This core design helps with the ball's overall performance on the lane. It's built to give you the best possible results. The cover stock is made of polyester. This material ensures a smooth and consistent roll down the lane. It's perfect for those looking for control. The finish is crown factory polish. This gives it a shiny appearance and helps it glide through the lane. This polish enhances the ball's overall performance. It comes with a 1-year warranty from the purchase date. This warranty provides peace of mind. It ensures that you are covered. The package dimensions are 9.0 L x 9.0 H x 9.0 W inches. The item package weight is 12 pounds. This makes it easy to handle and transport. What we like. This ball features exclusive 360-degree graphics, making it stand out on the lanes. Its durable polyester cover ensures it can withstand the rigors of regular use. If you like a ball that combines style and longevity, this is the one for you. What people say. Perfect for someone like me who's working on improving their technique. It's also got a great weight distribution and hits the pins with serious power. Depending on how oily your lanes are, it has good reactivity. When she bowled, we saw the cover stock being very aggressive on dry lane, and I even threw it and was surprised by the core movement and cover stock strength. Number 4. Hammer Black Widow 2.0 Hybrid Bowling Ball. This ball has undergone extensive testing to ensure it perfectly fits the Black Widow line. The rigorous process guarantees top-notch performance. This hybrid ball features the new 22 Hong Kong dollars base resin with the Aggression Hybrid additive package. It offers more length and a sharper back-end reaction compared to the Black Widow Ghost. The ball uses the renowned gas mask core. This core provides the familiar Black Widow reaction and carry that bowlers have come to love and trust. The Black Widow 2.0 Hybrid features the new 22 Hong Kong dollars base material. This cover provides rich, impressive colors and a super responsive backhand reaction. It creates a new reaction shape for pearl, hybrid, and shiny solid bowling balls. This product comes with a 2-year limited manufacturer's warranty. You can purchase it with confidence knowing it's backed by a solid warranty. What we like. This ball uses the new 22 Hong Kong dollars base resin for a sharper backhand reaction. It provides rich colors and a super responsive backhand reaction. If you are looking for a ball with a strong and reactive performance, you should consider this. What people say. This thing hooks like crazy, but is also controllable enough to come up the back and get a pretty straight roll out of it also. My average has gone up since I have started bowling with it. This has become my primary ball. The rev rate is a little better than my hard ball, and the good pin action makes my off shots off the mark much more forgiving. Number 3. Hammer Envy Tour Bowling Ball. Introducing the Envy Tour, an updated version of the popular Obsession Tour. This is a benchmark ball that every bowler needs in their bag. The black color with dark purple logos gives it a classic look. This ball not only looks great but also delivers impressive strikes. The Envy Tour features a stronger, more responsive cover. This provides an updated ball motion, perfect for today's oil patterns. It uses DOT technology to reduce cracking, a revolutionary change in bowling ball manufacturing. This technology was developed to significantly reduce cracking. The Envy Tour comes with a 2-year limited manufacturer's warranty. You can purchase it with confidence knowing it's built to last. What we like. This ball offers an updated ball motion for modern oil patterns. It also features DOT technology for enhanced durability. If you are looking for a ball that combines performance with longevity, you should consider this. What people say. The ball has a great hook and hits the pocket hard. The ball has a nice smooth roll. The grip is very comfortable. Number 2. Storm Phaze 2 Bowling Ball. This is the Storm Phaze 2 bowling ball. It's designed for optimal performance on the lanes. With its advanced technology, it helps you achieve better scores. The package length is 21.59 centimeters. This measurement is important for shipping and storage. It ensures the product fits within standard dimensions. The package width is 22.86 centimeters. This dimension contributes to the overall size of the package. It's a key factor in handling and transportation. The package height is 22.86 centimeters. This measurement completes the package's dimensions. It's essential for calculating volume and space requirements. This product falls under the category of sporting goods. It's designed for recreational or competitive use. It's a high-quality item for sports enthusiasts. What we like. This ball is a sporting good. If you are looking for a ball with good performance, you should consider this. What people say. Simple hard spinning, functional ball. Easy to control, and very forgiving. It hits like an asymmetric but rolls a bit like a symmetrical. Number 1. Hammer Raw Black Solid Bowling Ball. This is the Hammer Raw Black Solid Bowling Ball. It's designed for lower mid-level performance. The core of this ball is the original raw hammer core. All raw hammers have the same core. This core is consistent across the weight range from 10 to 16 pounds. The black raw hammer features a solid reactive cover. This cover is a solid version of the juiced cover. This ball is designed for lower mid-level performance. It provides a unique ball motion on the lanes. You can get this ball in weights from 10 to 16 pounds. It's a great choice for bowlers looking for a reliable ball. What we like. This ball uses a solid version of the juiced cover. It contains the original raw hammer core. If you like a ball with a solid reactive cover, you should consider this. What people say. It does hook, but not too much. It's perfect for lighter oil patterns or during the second or third game when the oil gets dragged down the back end. This is a solid ball with a consistent break. Curves great midway down the lane when bowling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.